Acceptable forms for identification. The California ABC requirements for bona fide, legally acceptable ID is one card that contains these 6 items. Issued by a government agency, federal, state, county, or city. Has the name of the person, their date of birth, their photograph, their physical description, height, weight, hair, and eye color. Currently valid, not expired.
How are you tonight?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Got some ID there?
Yes.
Your ID's expired, sweetie.
Oh. But I got the real ID though.
I understand that, but it's I got to see a valid ID. Expired ID is not valid. I can't serve you tonight until you get a valid ID.
Only this one time?
I can't. No.
No.
And I understand that. I appreciate it, but I can't. Not tonight.
Okay.
Get your ID replaced. Get back in here. Thanks, ladies. Have a good evening.
Examples of acceptable ID would be a California driver's license identification card, out-of-state driver's license or identification card. U.S. military IDs without a physical description are acceptable as of 1/1/2010. Both U.S. and foreign passports with photograph but without a physical description are acceptable as of 1/1/2010. A person may not combine 2 unacceptable IDs to make 1 acceptable ID. Examples of unacceptable ID are a U.S. government immigration ID card, a birth certificate, school or work ID card, ID issued by non-government agency, a Social Security card, interim or temporary driver's license or receipt for license from the DMV, foreign driver's licenses / ID cards that do not feature the name, date of birth, photograph, and physical description in a language you cannot understand, a check cashing card, otherwise valid document that is expired, altered, borrowed, stolen, counterfeit, or forged. A business may have a company policy that is stricter than the law, such as we only accept California driver's licenses.